Hey everybody, welcome back to PinkToolGirl. Today's video is easy and simple, but I think very useful to a large amount of people. We're going to be talking about frames and what is better to paint them with, either spray paint or regular paint with a brush, so stay tuned. For home improvement advice, where we help you save more so that you can do more in your home, please hit that bell and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of our episodes. So I recently got a question in our comment section about if I was going to paint frames, which one would I do? Would I use spray paint or would I use paint? And frankly, I've used both, and I didn't really have an idea at first. So in the sake of starting school here, I wanted to do a little science experiment and see which one I thought was going to be better. Okay, maybe not science experiment, but I wanted to do a hypothesis. Which one is better and why? So here is what I found. So I came up with 5 things that I tested to see which one would I do if I was going to paint identical frames with either spray paint or regular paint with a brush. And those 5 things that were: painting time, which one was faster; drying time, was there a difference; how the cleanup process was; finishing; and the cost. So let's see what I came up with. So when it came to timing, spray paint took about 30 seconds in order to have it spray paint and done. The paintbrush took about 4.5 minutes because I had to keep going over the brush strokes in order to make sure that I had coverage on the frame. For the second test, it was how long did it take them to dry, and both of them took about an hour until they were not tacky. A little bit longer definitely is better so that you don't have any imprints of your thumb or any marks. When it came to cleanup, all you had to do was stick the lid back on the can, so that was pretty easy. With painting with a brush, of course, you do want to make sure that you take care of your brushes because you want to have them for a long time. So I did have to use soap and water, so it took a little longer and I had to clean up a little bit more, but it wasn't huge or significant. When it comes to a finish with spray paint, you get a really smooth, very universal look. When it comes to a brush, you can see some of those brush strokes. So in my opinion, the finish of this is not as smooth or as sleek as a spray paint. But I will add that I would have needed 2 coats in order to get rid of those brush strokes completely. So the finish can vary greatly depending on whether you've used a brush or you've used spray paint. When it comes to the cost difference between spray paint and painting with a brush, this runs between $4 and $10 depending on what kind of finish you're going to get and what brand you're using and what kind of nozzle that you have. I went with metallic, but you could do speckled, you could do glitter, chalk paint, there's a variety, so anywhere between $4 and $10 depending on where you buy it. When it comes to painting with a brush, there really is a large variety depending on what kind of paint you're going to get. This one runs about $4.99 to $7.99 depending on where you get it. But you can get something as inexpensive as a small bottle for $1.99, or you can use one of your better paints anywhere between $11.99 and $15.99. But either way, they're fairly comparable. You might run into a little bit more of a cost if you don't have paintbrushes because you do want to get some really good quality brushes, and you can get them in a pack, and they are anywhere between $4.99 and $11.99 depending on how many you're buying and what kind of bristles you're getting, but we'll talk about that in another video. So the cost is quite comparable. So to summarize and answer the question that was asked, if she was going to use a paint, what kind would she use in order to make sure that her frames look the same as her family kept growing? And in my opinion, there are pros and cons to either one, but once you pick one, stick with it. So if you wanted a shiny gloss, pick that spray paint, Rust-Oleum, pick your metallic, pick your color, and you're going to get the same look on those frames. But if you prefer more of a customized look or a not as perfect look, a brush paint with a certain type of color may work for you. But either way, stick with the same bristle, and that'll give you the same look on your wall as you do a frame collage. So thanks for joining us with how to paint a frame, whether you're using spray paint or painting with a brush. I hope that you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. If you want to look at some more painting items that we've done, whether it's furnitures or chairs, please check up above. We've put some cards in there so that you could get some more painting ideas. But make sure, again, that you hit that bell and subscribe button if you want to get more updates on the tutorials and great things that we offer each week.